Hi, this is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. What is the most important setting in your Facebook and Instagram ad account? And stay until the end, I have some free I want to give you. But what is the most important setting? There's so many settings in your Facebook ad account. But there's one setting that can really make or break your Facebook ads and your profitability, of course. And that is your performance goal, or optimization for ad delivery, it's called also sometimes. So I'll show you where it is. I'm here in my own ad account, and if we go into an example campaign I made, for instance, if you choose sales here, and then I'll move this. If you go next to the ad set level, then you go down to performance goals, and here it's usually set for the correct one. I had a conversion campaign, and here it's optimizing for maximum number of conversions. That's what we want. But the thing is that you can actually change it. So if we go here to other goals, you can set it for a number of landing page views. Then it's basically a traffic campaign, or number of link clicks, or reach. Then it's more like a reach campaign, or number of impressions. Then it's more like an awareness campaign. So just be aware of that, because this is what Facebook is really optimizing for. So if we go back, close this, go back to the campaign level, and go into that example campaign again, and we change it for an engagement campaign, for instance. Go next, go to the ad set level, then we go down to performance goal again. Then it's different options. So basically what you're choosing here in your campaign level, it's just different options. When you choose your campaign objective, you're just getting different options in your ad set level. So, but usually the default is the correct one. Just be aware that it can be changed, and it's actually the optimization in your ad set level that is the most important thing. Comment below if you have any questions, and also the free thing I want to give you is if you're a coach or consultant running your own Facebook and Instagram ads, then I have a free Facebook Instagram ad template you can download for free. There's a link in the description, so go ahead and download it. If you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches, consultants, entrepreneurs. Link in the description. You can book a call with me or my team to hear more about it. There's a link in the description. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, share it with your friends, and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time you upload a new video. Also, please join our free Facebook group, Facebook Advertising for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Also link in the description. Take care. Bye.